Did you know that socks are the most requested item for shelters across America? We learn this and much more as we design this important CSR team building program called Helping the Homeless. Your group will be packing backpacks filled with items for men, women, and yes, children who are experiencing homelessness. 1 in 30 children experiences homelessness each year in America. That's 2.5 million kids. The process for building the care packages will start with the formation of sub-teams who participate in a series of fun and challenging icebreakers and team-building activities. Our Helping the Homeless program features Apple iPads, delivering text, audio and video clues, exciting gaming challenges, and the ability to capture and save all your memories of this heartwarming event with photos and videos of your teams in action. Through these challenges, teams earn points, which enable them to acquire the contents of the care backpacks. Donated items can include clothes and blankets, toiletries and hygiene items, first aid supplies, food, school supplies, and children's toys. A representative from your chosen shelter or charity may surprise your group and join them for the final stages of the care package assembly. This inspiring, morale-boosting event may include personal touches in the form of letters written by participants to the recipients of the backpacks. The possibilities are endless, but the outcome is always the same. A proud team of employees helping people experiencing homelessness to know someone cares.